Hello guys, welcome to Noteartener. In this video I'm showing you how you can see source code of any website on Android. So let's get started. But before getting into the video, here is some intro about our channel. Our channel Noteartener is a tech tutorial channel, and here we upload daily how tutorial videos bringing solutions of the problem that you are facing on your internet journey. So you can join our community by subscribing and pressing the bell icon to get free access of our unlimited content of knowledgeful and interesting tech videos like this one. So let's get started. Firstly, what you need to do, you can open any of your website on your Chrome browser. So firstly, you can open any of your Chrome browser like you can open any browser like Chrome, and then here you can open any website. And for example, I have opened the amazon.com like this. Here you can see. So if you want to see any of websites source code, firstly open the website, then tap on here. You can see the search bar, you can see in the top, tap on that where you can see the amazon.com written with the lock button. Simply tap on that, and then here you can see the URL of the Amazon. So you can in the top you can see the URL, and in the right side of that URL you can see this pencil button. Simply tap on that, and when you tap on that, then in front of this URL you have to simply tap on go to the front of this URL, and then what you need to do, you have to simply type like this: view dash source colon. So make sure that you type all these digits carefully, and there should be no grammatical or spelling mistakes. So make sure that you write this two letters: view dash source colon, and after that hit enter. And when you type enter, then it will open this page, and here you can see the source code of that website. So that's it, that how you can see the source code of any website. So if you find this video helpful, you can subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. See you next time.